Hi guys, welcome to Effortlessly Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy A35 and I want to show you how to take long screenshot on this device. Our first step to do this is opening application which support it. It can be settings, Google Chrome, something would have more information than you have on the one side of screen where you can scroll something. Where we are on it, we press volume down and power key together at the same time as to make normal screenshot. And after that we must tap on this icon. When we press it, it is adding more information and scrolling. And that's all. We have our long screenshot which we can open in our gallery right now with more information than normal one. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.